If we have a matic for wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our friend for busing.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV. And you know, so you see, one brother where me make medicine for. And the man shot 2 man in go. And the medicine them no work. And me make a medicine for the man. And Rasta, the man have to call me and say, me rascal, Rasta. And me assure him, say, boy, me tough them way they tell you know, my brother. Right now, me get called from him yesterday. I'm about 5 months in the number last and me no here. And he go see me. And the man called me, man, and said, either this morning or tomorrow we have to link up, right? Mm-hmm. Because, because he must say, he would not good, right? And me assure him, said, no, man, if me done with you, man, you tear up your whole hand or catches you do, no boy, right?
Those are skirts.
Yeah, man. You mashed on a rascal, man, and what do you, man? Because right now, the same thing, you have 2 bush, you see? Mm-hmm. Well, if you ever drink them 2 bush, them, brethren, my God, anytime you can stand up every minute, you start fuck with your head, you know. I plan how for broke, you know, man, right? Mm. And if you ever drink these 2 bush, we then call them donkey weed and Medina. Then 2 bush they together and drink them all 1, 3 or 4 morning for your tea. Rascal. Your cocky give you trouble.
Donkey weed and Medina.
Yes, then 2 there. Oh. 2 of them together. Yeah. And me give him a wash out with native coconut and minty cocoa. It's one of the baddest washout ever exist. Anytime people give a washout and you say if you know shit and vomit, you don't get a good washout. Because the bilious and the gas up at your chest and not down in the belly on the cold there. So when you shit, when you look all shit all in a one pain pan then that you can't see it. Rascal, man, your body run cold, fishy amount of cold will come out of your belly. And when you vomit, you see some green shit where you call them the bilious, bitter. Rascal, when me give man wash out all the next 2 years, 3 years, if no need no more wash out or stuff.
If a young youth come to you one day as a elder Rasta man and say, hey, Peanut, me not have no woman, you know, because me shy. Me no know what to say to a woman. If me a look at a woman, me no know how to approach a woman or look at her. What you that tell him, say?
No, my brethren. There's many ways of hanging dog. All right. Now I'm going to show you my tactics now, right? One at a time. If you want woman attention and you see her, you go near her then, right? And make she pass. And when she pass, you say hello, and she go and look back. And you say, you smell, you know. She go respond and say what? We should not talk loud. It smell. He say, what the man you say? Me go up and say, you still talk loud. You hear me say, you pass me the while and your fishy smell. I want this blast cat, this fuck off, and start, right? Good. Good way of approach her and don't forget that attention. Because maybe if you say, hello, hi, just a word. Me not have time for you, sir. Maybe, but you see, if you ever, bring him past, ever say, hello, hi, he smell, you know. He man go say what? What you say what? Me say no talk loud, man. Sumel, you say, what you talk about? Me say, you pass me little while and you fish it, Sumel. Hey, man, come kiss out the... Well, so you say, no, hello, hi. I just your attention more want get, man. Yeah, me like you know. Jano. Me no mean when I say, yeah, that, right? He will say, Bumbo Clark. The man, you get me attention, so blood clot easy, man. Yeah, so...
After you get her attention now, what you do from this, so?
Then how you mean? Then from me go tell her now, say, watch your daughter. I just run my mouth. I just too more on your attention, right? You know what? I like you, you know. Jano, me like you so very much that the only way me could get you to respond at the way how me approach you, yeah, right? So look, I don't want you to feel no way. So what happened? My name is Mr. Ellis. What is your name, lady? If you're not interested, well then. But me no in the long argument, you know, my brethren, because me I want to see girl and one girl and all my brother. Me send for her car. The girl say, anyhow you walk with me on the road, if you go up on my place, them I go see her. And you know one then see her. So my brother me send for her and then walk through the river and walk through the bush and come on my place.